what's up? It's Connect Snakes here. Today we will be testing something. Okay, so we're gonna be basically drowning slime with hot and cold water. So let's start with cold water just because it's simple. We're gonna let that fill under and just see what happens. Okay, thing's still there. Thing's still there. Oh, and you touch it. Oh my God, it's like. Oh, that sound! That shouldn't be your everyday sound. Ugh. It's so slippery. Let me put it up to the mic. Okay, so that was cold water, okay? We're just gonna dump that. Okay, so next one we're doing hot water. Wish me luck. But if we let this thing get really, really hot, okay? It's starting to get warmer already. Hold on, as we wait for this, let's do this. Secret base, secret plan. You guys get the point. Here, so we're gonna wait for this to become really, really hot. It's almost steaming. Okay, guys, we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, guys. Just waiting for this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but now it starts steaming. There we go. We got a lot of hot water there. Okay? Now, one last squishy sound. Put that in. Drown that in. Oh, God. It's actually staying up. Hot. Oh God, that was hot. Yow. Ow, 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 ow. And that's probably because I have an open sore, as you guys can see right there. I forgot I had that. Wow, me and my forgetful brain. Okay, we're gonna remove it. Oh God, it's soft, guys. It's soft. Okay, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna. What the heck, guys? It's sticky. It's sticky. Holy crap! Holy crap! It's sticky. Guys. What am I supposed to do? It's sticky. It's sticky. It's sticky. 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 It's sticky. This ain't good. This ain't good. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Oh my God. Mr. Grade 6 teacher, if you were still here, you'd be proud of me for my inquiry process. Or inquiry, I don't care how it's pronounced. You'll be proud of me, Grade 6 teacher. You'll be proud. I'm gonna throw up. Okay, guys, let me just put the camera down for a second. That way I can remove this. Oh, sick. So this is what we got. We got some slime on our hands, not a big deal. We're gonna dump this. Now, I'm gonna fill this off with some decent temperature. So at a warm level temperature. So what this should do, it's not too hot or too cold, but it's lukewarm. Okay? Let me put this down. It's sticky again. Oh my God. Put it in. Drown it. Go. Okay, guys. It's dissolving. It's sticky. It's not sticky that much anymore, actually. Just more slimy. Like, there you go. Here's what I got. See? Pretty weird, eh? Oh, you can see those tiny particles, and I think I see a piece of slime in my hair. Oh my God. Almost got it. Oh no, guys, help me. Let me fix that up. Okay, put the camera back down. I know, guys, putting the camera back down. Total cringe, right? I know, I suck at being a YouTuber, but don't you know? Okay. So now, because this is super sticky, we're gonna fill it up with cold water. water to make it just slimy. Just slimy, not super sticky. If we put this in, there we go. We got our next result. Okay. Okay guys, so right now I'm just mixing this up. Obviously you can't see, but you can definitely hear the sounds it's making. You guys can also tell it's really, really wet. But now if I put this in kind of a bowl for me, just don't keep it in the same place as one, or else it will not work. It will not benefit you at all. Okay guys, I kept it still even seconds too long. Okay. Do you guys hear that? Means the entire idea is starting to work. There we go. Yow! Oh no, guys. Oh my gosh. It was stuck. If I stick it to my arm, you guys can barely. Oh gosh. Guys. Oh no.